Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, whatever time it is. I hope you're having a good time. And welcome to another episode of Games. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Mr. Bentley. And today we're on Math Playground. And I'm going to show you a game that I play sometimes in class. It's an interesting game. It's based on angles. I don't think any of you have actually been exposed to this yet, so um, I'll try to explain it as we go. In the Math Playground, go to your math games, and then you're actually going to go down here, and it is a graphing game. I'm not sure which the difference between alien angles and rocket angles. I always play rocket angles, so that's what I'm going for. All right. So, essentially, a protractor, which is that little shaped thing right there, it is used to measure an angle. If you've ever heard of someone doing like a 360 jump, that means they spun all the way around because a circle has 360 degrees. That's how we measure angles. If you jump halfway around, it's 180 degrees. Now, if you were to jump a little more than a quarter turn, that's 120 degrees is perfect. An exact quarter turn is 90 degrees, and that's important to remember because you need to recognize when it's like a corner like that in order to read the protractor. So we'll give it a go, and hopefully you guys start to get this down. Play around with it. I mean, obviously, if you get them wrong, you get them wrong. It's fine. So what you want to do is the first thing is you can move your protractor. Here's your protractor. And what you want to do is line it up either on the rocket or on the alien. It doesn't actually matter which one because both are sides of the angle. Maybe if I turn it all the way down right there. Here, if I turn it all the way down, you can actually see the angle, my cursor going over the angle like this, right? That's a big angle, all right? I will take a Post-it note like this. If I were to put it up on that, oh, it's more than like this nice little corner of the Post-it note, that's a 90-degree angle. So that's bigger than 90 degrees. It's important to notice that because a protractor, here I'm going to line it up, line that red line up I'm going to do that. So now I just, actually, it might be better if I were to do it. Yeah, this way it might be better. Or I'm going to use the rocket, line it up on the rocket. So the rocket's pointing straight on that red line. Now if I follow that yellow line out, all right, there are two numbers right there. There is the 50-degree angle, and then there's the 130, all right? Now I know this angle is bigger than 90 degrees because it's bigger than a regular corner. So in looking at that, I know I have to be using the 130. So it's going to be 130, and then it's going to go up from there. It's going to be 131, 132. So I pop 132 in there, hit that, and I shot the alien. I got the alien. There we go. Oof. Next level. Now, this one here, you can see this angle right here. It's like that. That's called an acute angle. Cute, you think of the word cute, something small, acute angle. Acute angle. So it's a very little tiny cute angle. So then when I line up my rocket on that red line, oh look, it's 130 or 50 again. But this time I know it's smaller than a right angle, so it's got to be less than 90 degrees. So that's going to put me at 50. Let's put it in there. Let's see what happens. Right on. Another alien down. Ooh, this one's a very small angle. Here, I can actually flip it over. You can actually see how small of an angle that is. Very small. So we just go up here, and now I look at it. I know it can't be 160 because that's a huge angle. That's almost a straight line. So it's gonna be 120, and then I'm gonna estimate it 121, 122, 123, 120. I guess 125. Let's try that one. Bam. Oh, it wasn't one. It wasn't 125. It was 25. Boom, boom, boom. See, teachers make mistakes too. Again, yeah. So, yeah, I made the mistake on that one. I'll do one more right here and then let you get off. Oh, there we go. So, oh, this one's gonna be tough. All right, so right there, I know it looks like it's a little bigger than 90 degrees. So let's go 96. Hopefully, I get this alien. Got it. Got it. Good. Well, this game might be a little hard for some of you. If it is too hard for you, don't worry about it. Just play a different game. There are lots of games on Math Playground. It is a great website. But I encourage everyone to at least give it a shot. And until next time, adios.